Hi, today we will see what is COT function in Tableau and how to use this function. So COT is another number function, and also we can say it is a trigonometric function which is used to find the uh, cotangent of any angle in the form of radian. So we have learned the COT function in our schools. Basically, we have learned the function in a degree. So the output we get. So in Tableau, the code function output as a radian. So if I type the function code, and we can see here the code function takes the input as an angle. So for example, I take the input as a 120. So 120, it takes the 120 angle, and also right side, on the right side we can see the definition of this function, which says the code returns the cotangent of angle and specify the angle in radian. So it basically returns the output in the form of radian, not in degree. So if I click on apply and OK, and take this code field and drop it onto the row, and after that click on this drop down and make the field in a discrete form. And after that click on this drop down again, go to measures and select average. So this is the value of COT 120, which is 1.402282616. So if you want to look, if you want to look for the any other angle, if you're looking for the COT of 60, so after that click on apply. So the COT of 60 is equal to 3.124, and COT 80 is equal to 0.7469. So this is how we can find the value of chord angles in the form of radian in Tableau, and this is how we can use this function in Tableau to find out the angle of a particular angle in the form of radian. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.